Let's delve into solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube puzzle, breaking it down into its three fundamental components: the center, edge, and corner pieces. To effectively understand the mechanics of this method, familiarize yourself with Rubik's Cube notation, which represents 90-degree cube rotations as follows: U up, D down, L left, R right, F front, and B back. An apostrophe denotes a counterclockwise 90-degree rotation, while no apostrophe indicates a clockwise 90-degree rotation. A number next to the letter signifies the number of rotations required. Now, let's focus on solving the yellow zone. Here's the primary algorithm. For your right hand, R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe, and repeat R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. For your left hand, L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U, and repeat L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U. Performing this algorithm 6 times will transform the cube to its desired state. Your journey through today's algorithm involves 7 stages. Number 1. White cross on the bottom. Assemble a white cross on the bottom layer by aligning its edges with the corresponding colored centers. Number 2. The bottom corners. Utilize the R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe algorithm for your right hand to position the lower corners correctly. Number 3. The middle layer. Solve the middle layer to match the outer block's color with the center color. Apply specific algorithms for each case. Number 4. The yellow cross. Form a yellow cross on the cube's top face using algorithms to address different scenarios. Number 5. The top layer edges. Arrange the edges of the yellow cross so that their second color matches the side color. Solve any mismatches with a modified algorithm. Number 6. Orient the yellow corners. Position the corners correctly with respect to neighboring centers without fully solving them. Use a modified algorithm for this step. Number 7. Solve the yellow corners. Finally, solve the corners one by one, making sure each corner is correctly oriented and placed. Rotate the cube as needed to complete the yellow side, ensuring all colors align. Congratulations, you have successfully mastered the classic 3x3 Rubik's Cube solution using this method. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video.